Hello, this is George Senda, the original, the authentic, the real, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. This is Pittsburgh Unboxing. First, I got 2 C batteries. The instructions for this thing said it requires C batteries, and yet it doesn't. I'm going to have to send those back or I'll keep them. And the interesting thing about these is you can plug in and charge them. Now, I don't have anything except a flashlight that might take these. Then I have the remote for this clock, which I can't figure out. And this is the clock. And you set it somehow. But, unfortunately, they give you no... This is Pittsburgh Unboxing. They apparently give you no. Oh, they give you something. Here it is, buried in the box. Okay. This is a 12-inch wall clock with an instruction manual. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. It says clock battery in the back. Has to be plugged into the wall, no batteries. And you hold the set for 2 seconds. Okay, let's try that. Absolutely nothing happens. Oh, I turned it off. I got figured that out. There it goes. Okay, now. Yeah, got the year. It's Wednesday, but it's not. Yeah, there's the... And it is the 2nd. There we go. Alright. Now the day. Oops, hold on. Not with that. Alright, we got part of it. Get it out of. Well, anyway, you get an idea. Alright, I'm going to play around with this, get it working. So this will be kind of cool when I get it done. Have a great day. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and join the channel for $3.99 a month. Or $6.99 a month, $99 a month when you see content not on the regular channel. I can't talk right now. Alright, let's see if this recorded. The last time it didn't. Very annoying. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.